What's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone SE 2020 model. Home button connector on the logic board was damaged. This is going on. Um, so obviously the home button is not working anymore because the home button, so touch should works. It's just the home button is not working. So let's take it apart. Uh, it's a it's a new one. So I bet, yeah, this is a new sort of new screen. So let's go to my scope and see what we have. It's the home button connector over here. Take this thing off. It looks like it was worked on. Hmm. Something's blocking it. Oh, no, one doesn't work. But at least try to measure it. Let's go schematic. See if we can measure it. Looks like the home buttons are fine. It's just there's a piece of something, uh, rubber piece got stuck there. Let's go schematic and we can check the all the pins diagonal reading to make sure they're working properly. So let's try to measure it. 5.2, 155 is good. That's my ground. 0.37, 0.33 is fine. 0.5 is good. 0.10 is good. 1. Oh, we got 1 right here. 0.8, it's pretty good. 0.9, it's close. 0.44. 0.37. Third one. 0.34. 0.37. 0.42. Oh, that's fine. Other one's ground. Okay. Fine. And over here we have 0.6. Oh, this one's short. Why is short? You know this ground? This one is short. No wonder it doesn't work. Which line is this? Let's finish it. This one should be short too. Short. 2, 3, 6, 7. So these three lines just shorted. What are those? Those are Mesa 3-volt Mesa. Let's check where does it go. I think over here, just over here. Where's it go to? So it goes to the home button. So the FPC connector was not damaged. It's just, oh, I see something here. It was shorted. So let me check the other side. That's a filter right there, short. So this one looks very bad right here. It's capacitor here. Let's zoom in. Let's go to this capacitor. Look like it was, yeah. This looks so shorted. Look, missing the gray on top. So let's try. remove that, and that may solve the issues. Just remove it. That's capacitor right there. Let's put a little bit of heat on here. Yeah, yeah, the capacitor is really damaged. Oop, where'd it go? So let's see if we can measure it's still short or not. It shouldn't be short anymore. There you go. We're good. Still at 0.7 now. 0.7, 0.7. Okay, so it's good. So the dead capacitor. It's under the air. Why is this short right there? It's weird. That's 3 line volt. It's pretty high voltage. So clean it up a little bit. So we're not gonna remove the board to fix this one. Uh, but it's a good idea to remove the board. Uh, yeah. Let's do one from a donor board. Okay. Some capacitor here. Hey, come on. No, it's too much. Okay, perfect. All right, let's clean it up. 7, 0.7, 7, 6.5. So we're not We don't have a short anymore. So that's the 3 volt line. Um, so what we need to do is put on some masking glue to prevent um, an accident short. Uh, I think that was what happened um, earlier. Good. So secure. Let's try to test it. There's nothing. All right. The home button's working now. Awesome. All right. That's it, guys. So this phone was the home button, the 3 voltage line was shorted. Um, it was not damaged. The connector was not damaged as the customer stated, but it was shorted instead. So we relieved the short and put a new capacitor on. Now the home button works normally, as you can see. It wasn't it wasn't responding earlier when we tested, but now it's working fine. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.